Hello Year 10, this is a presentation on Stage 6 Geography. As a Stage 6 Geography student, you will learn about human interaction with the environment and the impact of and responses to environmental change. In other words, we will focus on the economic, political, social and environmental perspectives of our interaction with the environment. As a student of geography, you'll focus on the characteristics and spatial distribution of environment, the processes that form and transform the features and patterns of the environment, and global and local forces that impact on people, ecosystems, urban places, and economic activity. Throughout Year 11 and 12, you'll continue to develop the skills of geographical investigation and communication, and you'll focus on geographical inquiry and propose actions for a just society as an active and informed citizen. In Year 11, the course focuses on biophysical and human geography. The HSC course works to develop a student's appreciation for geographical perspectives in a contemporary world. Specifically, the Year 11 course is made up of 3 topics: biophysical interactions, where the focus is on the different spheres: atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and lithosphere; global challenges, population, political geography, cultural geography. Senior Geography Project is an interest topic that you get to choose a topic of your choice that you want to engage in research. It could be related to your local area, or it could be something beyond your local area. In the Year 12 course, the focus moves to ecosystems at risk, urban places, a focus on megacities, and the last topic is people and economic activity. One course requirement is that in Year 11, all students are required to undertake their Senior Geography project. It is built into the hours within the course, and 12 hours of class time is given up to support you engage in your SGP. Why should you study geography? There's a whole range of reasons to study geography. Just a few include: it helps you to understand the basic physical systems that affect our everyday life. You'll understand why places are where they are. You'll engage in conversations and you'll look at things from different people's perspectives. You'll develop an understanding of the world around us, and you'll look at geography from a historical and future perspective. The HSC exam for geography comprises of 3 sections: objective response, multiple choice, short answer questions, and then extended responses. And the extended responses will be determined by the topics that you've studied in Year 12. The slide that is up now is information related to the Geography Stage 6 syllabus direct from NESA. The information that I've shared with you in this presentation relates to the current geography syllabus. Last year, the syllabus went under review, and there is a new draft syllabus that will soon be endorsed, but currently this presentation is based on the syllabus that we teach.
Well, geography compared to all the other subjects that I chose in Year 11 are pretty more chill. So my other subjects were chemistry, physics and investigative, all 3 sciences, and intense math and of course English, where geography was more discussion and my learning style was much more different for it and it suited better. So that's why I chose geography for Year 11.
To increase my understanding of current political and economic events.
I saw in the course booklet that there was political geography. I was like, I'm in, I'm good, and this is going to be amazing.
First of all, you learn a lot more than you do in junior geography, where it was great, but you'd learn a lot about like the landscape and just mapping skills, and you kind of did that for like all of junior year. But in senior geography, you learn really how the world works and how that relates to geography.
So you learn about carbon emissions in different countries and how that relates to population, urbanization. You learn how the economy works, Just basically, yeah, all the things that matter in the world and how it works.
And I would say it also helps a lot with if you do other HSIE subjects, it relates to like all of them.
Year 11 geography is a lot different to Year 10. Instead of like coastal erosion and all that random stuff that's usually not fun, we actually learn about stuff to do with politics, the economy, the environment, and like how our world works, which is actually kind of interesting.
We're able to see different events in the geopolitical landscape on a local and national scale, which is very interesting.
One of the topics we learned is biophysical interactions, which involves the forces.
Other subjects you get to study in geography is global politics, so you get to understand all the sorts of things that are happening in the world around you, why things are happening in the world around you, and just get a broader understanding of what's happening. And another thing you get to do in geography is a senior geography project, which is a sizable project where you get to study whatever you want. You get to choose your topic, and then you get to do an in-depth study on it to really hone in on what you personally like.
Another one of the topics we study is global challenges. In global challenges, we learn all about the demography of certain events and populations, things like that. Me, myself, I want to be a demographer. And that's why I enjoy global challenges. And if you're considering a career in demography, geography is a great subject for that.
In geography, we do a lot of discussion and group work, so we have a lot of more talking and discussing issues instead of like doing a lot of writing and big projects.
We love our field work, so the occasional excursion, getting outside, having a look at the world, the community, that's really fun.
Well, the geography classroom is a very collaborative space where everyone works together to share ideas, and it's a very safe space, so no ideas are frowned upon, so it's a very welcoming environment.